Okay, so broadly, financial institutions are classified into three categories. Broadly, financial institutions are classified into how many categories? Three categories. And what are those categories? Number one, financial institutions are classified as banks. The first type of financial institution is banks. Okay. Second type of financial institution is developmental finance institution. Developmental financial institutions. Developmental financial institutions. Okay, developmental financial institutions or development financial institutions. They are written as DFIs. Developmental financial institutions. DFIs. Clear? Then there are third type of institutions which are called as non-banking financial institution. Means they might be dealing with finance, but they are not providing banking services. Okay, so they are called also as NBFIs, non-banking financial institutions. Okay, or they are also called as NBFCs, non-banking financial companies. NBFCs, non-banking financial institutions or non-banking financial companies. NBFIs or NBFCs. This is where we left. Is it? Okay. Non-banking financial institution or? Now, why I have said banks? See, this developmental financial institutions is also an NBFC, also a type of NBFC. But then why I make a separate category? Because their purpose is developmental finance. Developmental finance means they give loans only for developmental purposes. They give loans for only developmental purposes. That's why they are classified by their objective. Okay, so their objective is to provide loans for developmental objectives. Okay, now